This is a review for this Best Choice Products fir tree. It's got this frosted look to it. It has about 900 LED lights on it that are all intermingled in between the branches here. What's cool about it is they only have one string of light, but you can switch it between all soft, warm light, different variations of multicolors. It's even got this kind of iridescent look to it with like a light green, a purple, and an orange, and a yellow. I've got it right now on the setting where it's going in rotation through all the different settings. But down here towards the bottom where it plugs in is this button where you can rotate through the different settings. And you got the straight warm white that kind of blinks on and off slowly. You move into the colors where you've got all these kind of like primary colors going on. Switch it, and then it goes between blinking warm, blinking multicolors. Let's see them here. And it goes to a setting where it's going between the warm white and then all the colors. Blinking colors, blinking soft white. There's a setting where it's going to go through all the color variations. It's going to go through that kind of iridescent look to it for the soft white, and then primary colors, and then you're kind of like your purple, green, orange look to it as well. Goes through a couple other different options where it's going to go from like a dimming or softening twinkle look, and then all the way to off. This was incredibly easy to put together. There isn't the traditional connectors that you might see on a tree like this. There are these kind of brackets between the two pieces. You just kind of drop them into place and you don't have to really struggle. Some of these trees have like a threaded section where you connect each section of the tree together. These you just drop into place and they just kind of work. It's a really great looking tree, and this is the fir. It's got brown here along the trunk. Each one of the branches has brown on it as well, so it looks like a true fir tree. Just an overall great look. It's a fir, so it's gonna be more narrow than like a pine tree. But this is the 9-foot version. There's a bunch of different sizes, like a 7.5, 6, 4.5, a smaller tree as well. Great looking tree.